Hi, I am Dr. Sandesh Gupta, the owner of Skin and Leisure Center. Today we will discuss about the problem which is very common and which is very difficult to treat also, and which is something troublesome for the patient also. That is a vitiligo. So what is vitiligo? Vitiligo is a pigmentary disorder in which the pigment producing cells of the skin, which is known as the melanocytes, are destroyed, resulting in the white patches all over the skin. Now what are the symptoms of the vitiligo? Vitiligo is usually noticeable white patches on the skin. These patches are more commonly found on the area where the body is exposed to the sun, including the hands, feet, arms, face and lips. And these patches are usually symptomless. Vitiligo generally appears in one of three patterns. First is focal pattern, segmental pattern and the generalized pattern. In the focal pattern, where the depigmentation limited to one or only a few areas. In segmental pattern, where the depigmentation develops only on the one side of the body. Third is a generalized pattern. This is the most common pattern, and in this depigmentation occurs symmetrically on the both sides of the body. Now, who are prone to the vitiligo? Although the course of vitiligo is unpredictable, but there are some triggering factors also for the vitiligo, like chronic sun exposure or family history, diabetes mellitus, thyroid disease, frequent contact with the chemical like phenol or other chemicals. The application of strong bleaching agents can also cause the vitiligo. Weak immune system, genetics and the heredity is also a common factor for the vitiligo. Now, what are the treatments available for the vitiligo? Before starting the treatment, the patient must understand the nature and the course of the disease, which is very much unpredictable. A balanced nutritious diet with lots of vitamin and minerals are vital. Avoid stress, physical and the chemical damage and other common triggers. Without proper treatment from a dermatologist, it can spread very rapidly and it can be very extensively. So it's better to start treatment as early as possible before the spreading of the disease. It may having the negative impact on the social life of the patient. It may having the negative life means impact on the psychological life of the patient. So we are expert in treating the vitiligo, and at our center we have the all types of therapies and all type of treatments available. There are basically three types of treatment or therapies. First is a medical therapy, second is phototherapy, third is a surgery. So in medical therapy, we just give it to just to stop the progression of the disease. This is given in the form of tablets and the topicals. And second is phototherapy. Phototherapy is given in form of UVA and UVB lights. It activates the pigment producing cells, which is melanocytes, and helps to bring the color back. Third type of therapy is surgery. In vitiligo surgery, usually it is done in case of stable vitiligo. If the area is not increasing in the size, and if it has been stopped means for last 5 to 6 months, then only we can do the surgery. It's a very effective for the patches on the lips, hands, neck or eyes, which is difficult to treat with the medical therapy. There are three types of surgeries available. Punch grafting, which is very simple and economical procedure. The graft are taken from the legs and it is put on the bigger areas, but the thing is there, the cosmetic result is not so good as in case of the other type of surgeries. Second is the blister grafting, and third is the melanocyte transfer. In case of blister grafting is a very good type of grafting, and this is meant for the smaller body surface areas. The results are very good, and means we can never come to know whether the patient has got the surgery or not. Third type of the surgery is melanocyte transfer technique. This is a highly specialized technique and good for the bigger areas, and cosmetically having it's a very good results. And in case of further assistance or if you have any inquiry, please contact me through the library. We are always available for you. Thank you.